For my climate claim review, I will be reviewing a claim made in the documentary Cowspiracy and the Secret of Sustainability. Cowspiracy claims that livestock and their byproducts account for at least 32,000 million tons of carbon dioxide per year, or 51% of all worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. However, 51% of worldwide emissions seems fairly high. To investigate this claim, I turned to the leading source on all things climate change, the IPCC. In the 2014 Mitigation IPCC report, they stated that the AFOLU, agriculture, forestry, and other land use sector, is responsible for just under a quarter of anthropogenic greenhouse gas emissions, mainly from deforestation and agricultural emissions from livestock, soil, and nutrient management. It's important to note that livestock is included in this sector and that it does not comprise the entire sector, meaning that according to the IPCC, livestock isn't even responsible for 25% of worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. The EPA corroborated this data and compiled global greenhouse gas emissions by economic sector into this pie chart. As we can see, electricity and heat production account for 25% of total global greenhouse gas emissions, roughly equal to that of the agricultural, forestry, and other land use sector. One article published in Science claimed that based off of the IPCC reports, that livestock itself was responsible for 8 to 10.8% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Based on this evidence, livestock is not responsible for 51% of greenhouse gas emissions, perhaps indicating that a vegan lifestyle is not the only way to live sustainably, which is the documentary's primary claim. This investigation thus serves as a reminder to be mindful of the data we believe and the sources that we rely upon.